What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 7. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Alright, so let's open up the plastic and we can take a look at the box. Alright, first off, let's take a look at the box. Now, the box does look a little different from its predecessor, iPhone 6s, and even the iPhone SE, which released earlier 2016. And the iPhone 7 later 2016. Here is the iPhone SE box. The front, it shows the front of the phone, iPhone SE, Apple logo, and the others on the other side. Now, the new phone has the back of the phone, iPhone, different text. It doesn't say which model it is. Apple logo, which is the same. And now it shows the back of the phone, which is the main difference. Now, on the back of the box, it is pretty much identical to the other phone. Shows all the product specs. They're both 32 gigabytes. Alright, so opening up the box, you are presented with the manual designed by Apple in California instead of the phone. Now, the manual designed by Apple in California, it's a different packet. Welcome to iPhone. SIM card tool, we will need this later, so I'm going to keep it out. Useless. And of course, Apple stickers. Alright, now we have the phone itself sitting in its plastic. We're going to take that out, set it aside, and look at what's else. Alright, pretty standard Apple packaging here. We got the 5-watt power adapter, this in all the phones. Then we have EarPods. These are not in plastic anymore. They are in cardboard case, and it's the Lightning earphones. Now, I'm not sure why my phone didn't come with the adapter on the end. It might have been a different version. Underneath the EarPods, you have the Lightning cable to USB adapter, which is standard for any iPhone you'll get. Alright, so looking at the phone itself, here we have it, and it's plastic on the back. And first thoughts, this is a beautiful phone. It's super nice. It feels a lot different from my old iPhone SE. It's a lot smaller. In fact, guys, I did do an unboxing of the iPhone SE a while ago, so if this video hits 100 likes, I will repost that video. So if you guys really want that, make sure you hit the like button. Alright, anyways, let's take off the plastic, put it to the microphone, it's off to the side. Alright, now we have the phone itself. That matte black does feel super slick, and it looks stealthy. That's a nice look, I think, that matte black. So now the new home button, if I tap my hand, there's nothing there. It's a capacitive button, which means all this is a piece of glass. So it feels weird, like you're not tapping anything at all. Alright, so I am filming on my iPhone SE. So I have the iPhone SE SIM card here, and we're ready to set up the iPhone 7. It's powered on. Man, I am loving this black color. It is so nice. It is just sleek and stealthy. Alright, we're presented with the setup screen. I'm gonna click that. Now, actually, I'm gonna enter the SIM card into the phone. Take out the SIM card tool. Grab the phone. Pop it out. Now we're going to put the SIM card in here. It doesn't get away from me. Alright guys, sorry for the bump in quality and the different angle. My old iPhone just ran out of storage, so we're recording on my DSLR. Alright, so pop the SIM in here. And begin the setup. Man, this button feels weird. Set in focus. It's a manual focus, so it's going to be hard. Bear with me. Alright, country, United States. Alrighty. So we have the option to quick start this phone, which means that I can set up the new phone with an old phone. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Connecting. Well, the size difference is insane. Alright, now it is setting itself up. Alright, enter the passcode, I was gonna say it take a couple minutes to activate it, but yeah, like I said, the size difference, these are insane. Coming from a tiny phone, I could barely type on this phone like recently, so it's a big difference. All right, we're gonna come back once this is finished. Okay, setup has finished. Now we're gonna set up Touch ID. Place our finger. Alright, so we have two options. It says to transfer data from iPhone, transfer directly to this iPhone, and the iPhone will be ready for your data when it's finishing setup, 10 to 15 minutes. Download from iCloud, you can start using your phone in about 15 minutes. Your data will download later over Wi-Fi. We're just going to transfer real quick. We're going to agree to the terms. Continue. 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 I want to share the audio recordings. Yes. Yes. Now we're going to install the software update, iOS 13.3.1. Alright, so we'll be back once this process is finished. Alright guys, so the phone has finished its setup. I apologize for the time difference. It's been like a week, like over a week since we've filmed the video. It's just because of school and I've been busy. But yeah, the phone is all set up and good. Transfer's complete. And while we were gone, I installed a Nomad rugged leather case for the iPhone 7 8 on this. And I absolutely love this case. And so just keep an eye out for the Nomad case review, and also a Mr. Shield screen protector. You can see the edges around there, you can see that's on. So I installed those two things and I'm absolutely loving the phone. The phone is great, and just like I said, stay tuned for the case and the screen protector review, and for the iPhone 7 review, the full review. Alright, so see you next time. Bye.